thing. Honestly, never take the talent either.
The uncontrolled spread of exterminants ends today.
Damn! That I like 2 shots. Oh, man.
That is fucking awesome, bro.
Ooh, LiDAR. Objective located. South. Do it.
I even, yeah, let's go to the library and call our gear in.
Reloading! Of liberty! Dropping mines. Requesting fortification!
Samesies.
Run to the LiDAR though. Going down a support weapon! Oh yeah, support weapon. Tech pack inbound! Calling down a support weapon!
Holy shit.
We gotta pounce the seed bread. Get some! We are definitely get some!
Yep.
Ooh, we got stalkers, I think.
Yep.
Freedom never sleeps!
I somehow was able to call in my gear.
Yeah, I got my gear. I called in. I just can't pick it up. I'm bleeding out! Let's go find the stalkers.
Stalkers. If I could get this LiDAR going, we'd be able to find out where they are. Oh, there they are. I got it. I got it. I'll go there. You just start the LiDAR.
Get some!
Okay. Up to you. But it's done. I got a sugar bear.
Reloading!
Almost. Doesn't it hit like a Mack truck, bro? I mean, even the sound of it is...
Reloading!
This is such a
There's
cool...
a new sheriff in town, you bugs.
Yeah, dude.
Or, sorry, there's new sheriffs in town.
Sheriffs. Yeah, I like that.
Engaging terminal.
Why did my backpack come off? Oh, because I picked up something? That's weird.
Oh, God.
Don't worry, I got you, dude. I ain't gonna let nothing happen to you.
I can't quit you.
I can't. What was that from? The Notebook? First Nicholas Sparks reference of the day.
Reloading.
We got a bunch of jumpers coming up.
I'm on it. Doing the LiDAR spinning thing.
I'm trying to keep them off, yeah.
How about a nice cup of liberty? Reloading.
That ballistic shield backpack works.
I got the terminal. Mission map. Enemy elite engaged. 50 meters.
Holy shit, that actually worked. So you just have to throw it in the general direction and it'll...
It's like a lock-on, similar to the rail thing.
Oh, okay, that's cool. I need some supplies. Alright, what do we got? Stalkers are done. You got some anti-tanks you want to throw out there?
Once we get a breach.
Yeah.
Reloading!
This is awesome, dude. That's okay.
Throwing supply beacon! I'm down to my last couple bullets. Out of ammo!
Awesome. Cuss, I'm gonna start calling you Colonel Custer, dude. It's your last stand, huh?
That's all democracy! Supplies. How about a nice cup of liberty? Reloading!
We just busted our ass, bro.
Bag's empty! Alright, let me tap that one more time. We can get the heck out of here.
Samesies.
Alright. Tagging map. Northeast. 200 meters.
I wish the primary reloaded quicker.
Heavy. North.
Yeah, let's go.
Close.
I'm not fighting this. Seacrest out.
Right,
Calling down fortifications.
call in the mine.
Reloading. Heavy. Fog tunnel breach. Sending in an eagle.
I don't want to jinx us, but I'm pretty grateful that we haven't had a shit ton of bigs.
Oh, dude, that charger just ran over the anti-tank mine and got obliterated.
Did it actually work?
Oh, yeah, dude.
Let's go.
The problem
Oh, we
with
got
the
trigger
anti-tank
here.
mine... Okay. We should go deal with that, like, right now. The problem with the... Oh, wait, I can do that with
I got one of them. Yeah. Bunch of little guys behind us. And a Shrieker just absolutely smoked me. Shriekers are devastating. Thank you.
Dude, killing a Shrieker with a Sender? That's a vibe.
Yeah. Pretty awesome, right?
Requesting air support. Sending in an eagle.
Nice. You throwing your rocket pod saved me.
How'd you like the taste of freedom?
My rocket pods didn't do it. We gotta get this Shrieker, dude.
One Eagle 110 can kill a bottle
Engaging
titan, but
terminal.
it has to hit at like the magical angle that you can't really control. But two almost always hit. So the fact that we both have it should like pretty much guarantee.
Oh my god, dude, I'm just at the terminal getting my ass handed to me. I can't
Trying
do
to
it.
cover your back.
No, you're good. It's not your responsibility. I was just
Oh, it is.
like, what the hell?
You will never destroy our way of life.
Okay, dude. I am tired of getting blindsided by you fuckers. I'm gonna go do a lap right now. Oh, we're getting overrun, bro.
Oh,
Good to stim you.
that's brutal. The Red Warriors.
Reinforcing.
Ooh,
Request approved. Reinforcements have been launched.
wow, it threw me really far.
Dude, I picked up your epoch. How does that even happen?
Requesting fortifications. Requesting air support. Calling down supply.
Democracy's on its way.
Got anything for that impaler by chance? There we go. AMR. Here's your epoch. Sorry about that.
Heavy south. Close.
There. It's a breach on the terminal.
Put your minds down.
Fog tunnel breach.
I'm out of rocket pods. Trying to cool down.
Real gun.
Tagging location.
I'm good. I got my AMR. Ah, shit.
For prosperity.
Is that supplies? Fuck yeah! Good job on calling those in, dude.
Enemy.
I am trying to do this terminal, but I mean, look where that breach is.
Throwing grenade. Get
So
some.
many little guys. I'm with you.
Delay.
Heavy.
I know. We are very team-oriented right now, and I'm loving it. See, this is like a napalm barrage and a strafing run.
Administering mag gun. Reloading.
I got 30 seconds left. We're getting split up. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to get split up. Yeah. What's up, babe?
Tactical asset near
Oh, you
your
made me
position.
lunch? Thank you. You're okay. I don't care what Harley says.
Mag's empty.
We're separated, and there's not a darn thing you can do about it.
I have an epoch. I can't reload it. There's so many little guys. I can't.
I know. When I picked it up, it only had the one left in it, and I was like, I don't have time to load this.
Mission
got so many bugs on me. Now I have a breach on me.
They did another breach?
Rare sample acquired. Bug tunnel breach.
Basically, just keep running.
Yeah,
I might be
same
able to get a
seat.
reload done. Okay, sweet. I got a reload done.
Alright, I killed that Bile Titan with an AMR. It took 2 rounds, but we made it happen. Oh, we got another Bile Titan? Come on, dude. Whoa! My own rocket pod landed on my head. It followed me the whole way. I wonder why I did that. I mean, it's just ironic because you survive all that bullshit and then your own strategy.
Dude, there are so many bugs.
Requesting air support.
Let's try this again.
Throwing supply beacon.
I'm gonna just try to
Another
find
breach,
supplies.
bro. Another breach, Deuteronomy. Can you believe the amount of breaches that are happening on this one little side objective? Ah, shit. I stepped almost in my own gas mine like a jagaloon.
Liberty dispatched.
God.
Southeast. Close. Requesting air support.
Coming to you.
Rocket pods and a mag dump on an AMR. Got rid of that Bile
Sending in an
Titan.
eagle. Requesting
Throwing
fortifications.
anti-tank mines over there.
Democracy's on its way.
I'm killing Bile Titans, bro. Like it's just a little
Requesting air support.
more work.
Mag's empty.
You got supplies over there, right?
For prosperity. Mag's empty.
Got him.
Reloading.
Coming back to you, buddy. What is this? Or charger. That might have been the coolest kill I've ever had. I shot an exploding barrel as a sport charger was chasing me and it blew him up.
Alright, I'm here.
Yep, me too. I need some.
There's some at
What's
the
up,
bottom of
kid?
this hill. Bottom of this hill.
Up.
Stop on.
Back here. Oh, okay, I see him. Thanks, man. Oh. Beautiful. You got a bunch of little guys behind you.
Alright, can we turn these valves yet?
I haven't even done the puzzle.
That's called
bro.
democracy.
There's a seat right here.
Administering
Holy crap.
Get
I just
some,
need-
Get some.
We need someone on the computer being covered.
Eagle 1 rearming. Be back shortly.
I'm gonna try to kill stop it.
Okay.
It just warps.
Saw that.
It's dead.
Okay. Let's do this. Now's our moment. Come on. Alright.
Engaging terminal.
Oh god, there's a whole other group coming in.
Oh my god, this puzzle's all
Fire
jacked
in the
up.
hole. Reloading. For prosperity.
Got it. Wow, that was all ass backwards. Okay.
Good job.
No worries.
Dropping
Calling
mines.
down fortifications.
Couldn't have done it without you.
Reloading.
You've got a sport charger somewhere and a breach. I was only able to turn one valve.
Oh, dude, he hit the anti-tank mine. You see that?
Beautiful.
He was coming
Oh,
right at me, and then boom, just exploded.
I was just about to ask you what did
Have a
that.
taste of democracy. Reloading. How about a nice cup of liberty?
I'm gonna try to get the spot point.
Heavy. North. 50 meters.
Reloading, epoch.
Requesting air support.
Yeah! Got him. Your eagles finished him off. Nice work. Oh god, there's another one.
It's the third breach we've dealt with on this one location.
What?
You know, for being college-educated fathers, we are not terribly bright sometimes. What are we doing here?
Reloading.
We intentionally made this hard with our loadout.
Oh, it's intentionally hard, that's for sure.
Another one.
Sending in an eagle.
Super Earth's finest back in
Requesting
action.
air support.
There we go. Oh, we just need to turn.
No!
What the hell was
Calling in
My
reinforcements.
eagles killed you! Because the Bile Titan died, so like,
that? It had nowhere to go.
I guess. I don't know. Dude, that
That's okay.
sucks. I'm sorry.
That charger's alive, by the way. Don't worry about it.
Okay. I'll just kill him.
The only thing it actually killed was my ballistic shield backpack. But the good news is, all right,
I'm on it.
we just need to turn one more. Nice.
Making progress.
Bro, that was literally 18 minutes to do that. Oh,
Is that what it was? I don't even want to look at the time. I'm so
yeah,
mad.
bro. Alright, where are the supplies? Oh, you're
Coming in right now.
Okay, alright.
Let's go knock out that Seaf really quick.
Okay.
Dude, look how much time that wasted. That was fun, though. We're complaining, but, like, we could be doing Illuminate again.
Requesting fortifications.
Holy shit, you threw mines all the way over here?
Oh, dude, I got chased all the way behind here at one point.
Got moved all around, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Did you do the hokey pokey?
It was one of those, like, Bile Titans behind me,
Package
epoch,
acquired.
empty, you know, can't reload kind of things, so I just had to keep going.
Right.
Dropping
Bought that
package.
for $1.
It's like,
I don't even care what order we're throwing stuff in, bro. I just want to get this over with. What is that right there?
Package
Smoke?
acquired.
We're good. Alright, hit the terminal. Let's roll.
I got the terminal. Dropping a pin. Southeast. 100 meters.
Oh, that was cool. I shot an anti-tank mine.
Democracy delivered.
Alright.
Really?
That's gotta be a first.
Dropping a pin. Southeast. 100 meters.
We're gonna have
Mike's
to skip.
one-
We're gonna have to skip some optional stuff,
Sub-objective
If we
in your
want to get in.
vicinity.
which is fine. I mean, I'm having a blast, bro.
I'm having a blast for sure.
I'm uploading
Oh.
this 100%.
I also think, too, if we just prioritize speed, like, we'll be okay. 20 minutes is enough time to get the mission done.
Reloading.
Do the knockback on this.
Mission progress logged.
Oh, nice.
Telling you, man, I'm not messing around. Like, I'm doing a speed round.
Tagging map. Northeast. 200 meters.
That oil was crazy, bro.
Well, we got it done, and we didn't like die a lot. Maybe
No.
1 or 2 times. That
We were
eagle
locked
killing
in
you
it.
was brutal.
It's okay. That eagle, my own eagle killed me one time.
That's right. Which is crazy.
2 of my deaths today have been from eagles.
Reloading.
Alright, it's gonna be a little lit in here, bro. We got impalers.
Sending in an Eagle!
Oh, this is
Some objective near your location.
Calling in reinforcements!
There's a lot of bad guys here.
Request approved. Reinforcements on the way.
what I would give for a straight.
Yeah, there's like hundreds of bugs following me.
Headlamp!
Not even just kidding.
Requesting air support!
Attack underway.
Off the terminal.
Yeah. I'm bringing some company.
Destroy your mines.
Oh shit. This is nuts.
Reloading!
We're getting overran. If you saw drone footage of what's surrounding us right now,
I
it's
did when I was coming back in. It was scary.
Eagle 1 returning to destroyer for resupply.
it kind of feels like Resident Evil, bro. Like
Requesting tag pack! Requesting advanced weaponry! How'd you like to taste of freedom?
Oh, man. This is sick.
Half reinforcement budget remaining. Request approved. Deploying reinforcements.
Ready to liberate! Throwing grenade!
it's fun though, isn't it?
Don't forget to throw your grenades like there's a bunch of them.
Oh yeah, I was gonna say the same thing to you.
I'm throwing all day.
Get some! Get
Great
some!
minds that think alike. I love it. All right, I'm going in. I'm not gonna get knocked back again. These guys are gonna have to deal with me. More shock on them.
Oh, they came up through the wall. They did.
Calling in reinforcements!
That sucks.
I mean, through the floor.
Request approved. Deploying reinforcements.
Reporting to the front! Fire in the hole! For prosperity!
Looking at that terminal and not being able to access it is driving me nuts. Like I'm on my 15th lap.
Feels good!
Ah shit, I'm in a bug hive now.
Okay.
Don't worry about me, dude.
Calling down fortification!
I'm just wait. God, stop. I'm at the terminal again.
Drug tunnel breach!
I can't, and the breach is on the terminal. I can't access it if I go in. I'll be
Request approved. Reinforcements on the way.
Dude, did you see that? An impaler tentacle came up out of the ground, hit your anti-tank mine, and killed me.
Requesting air support!
What are the odds of that?
I don't know. This is crazy.
Bro!
Oh,
Down on that breach again. Oh my
Request
god.
approved. Reinforcements have been launched.
Have a round. All been there.
Reporting to the front!
I've died 3 times to the dumbest, weirdest shit.
Sending in an eagle!
Got an impaler here. See? Another anti-tank mine taken out.
Yeah.
Fuck him. Come on, buddy. I need a bodyguard. You're gonna do the same thing we did at the oil extraction. You're gonna cover me.
There's so many bugs. I can't even come to your
Reloading!
I'm gonna come around and see what I can do for you.
Requesting air support!
Coming in hot.
Sending in an eagle!
That's the last of my rocket pods. I can finish him off with the AMR.
Requesting
gone.
fortifications.
Good job. That's my fault. I wouldn't have even been mad.
Dropping a pin.
I got the terminal.
50 meters.
I got the terminal started. I'll come and back you up for your stuff, but the terminal's started.
Reloading.
Got it.
Got my stuff.
I'll get back on the terminal. There's a charger behind me.
Engaging terminal.
There you go. Use
How
that
about a
shield.
nice
That
cup of
boy.
liberty?
I don't know what just exploded on me, but that hurt.
I'll be
You okay?
Freedom
Okay.
forever.
Oh, bro.
Engaging terminal.
You're doing okay. Another breach?
You
Motherfucker.
have mine?
Yep, they're on.
Freedom.
I got you! If we die, we're gonna die together. By the way, I like your outfit. Do we have the same tailor?
Get some. Get some.
I knew. I've been working on him for like 5 minutes, bro. Alright, I'm getting back on that terminal.
You know what? I found an AMR. I'm taking it.
Do it. Much more
Like,
effective.
I can never sit and reload the freaking thing.
Plus, you and I'll be able to take out File Titans together. I can't get to that terminal, man. I'm
Calling
trying.
down supplies.
Oh,
What exploded?
freaking seat that I called in and then forgot about it. Can you believe it?
I've done that, dude. I've done that. Don't worry. Oh shit! Shit, it put me on the terminal,
Enemy.
which is good. Look at the terminal right now, bro. What am I supposed to do about
Throwing
that?
grenade.
I don't know. We'll eventually just fine, I guess.
Is that a frag grenade? I wish I would have brought frags. These pyrotechs are weak as shit. Alright, I'm getting back on the terminal. Please don't let me die.
Engaging terminal.
Done. Alright. Only other thing we're going to have to do is flip that switch.
Just supply stuff.
Supplies. Fire in the hole.
Do you feel like you just ran a marathon?
Become like the
Reloading.
most epic run. Like win or lose. Like this is
Yeah, no, this is
Like,
great. By the way, I've got a
zero-
bunch of jump.
Zero boredom, you know.
Throwing grenade.
Alright, let's get out of here. Just ping something.
New mag.
Dude, we have 10 minutes left. We might as well
Go
just
launch
launch
the
the
nuke.
Tagging map.
Yeah.
Northwest. Far.
Okay. Note to
Requesting air
self.
support.
We need a Shovel or a Mira next time we play this crap. Nice.
I'm running to Orange County.
Fire in the hole.
Be nice if we could find a car. Epic, bro.
Seriously.
Additional reinforcement funding approved.
Reloading.
Box, didn't look nice.
There's a freaking breach here.
Mission
Calling down
at 10 minutes
fortifications.
I'm running Orange Bang.
Yep. I'm gonna take the long way around.
Throwing grenade.
day, bro.
Here comes the cavalry.
Like, open up your map, bro. Have you ever seen us leave that much red in a game?
I know, right?
Now that's what I call liberty. Eagle 1 returning to destroyer for
3 on
resupply.
your Eagles unless you have 5 things ready. So we're gonna need them for this next part.
I have 3 left. I don't feel like we're gonna make if I have 3.
3.
Good reminder, though.
The sound of this dead-eye firing is ridiculous.
Main objective nearby.
Alright, here we go. Woo!
Thank God I had that backpack, dude, huh?
Did I hit it?
Yeah, bro, ricochet. There's also a grenade launcher over here.
I got the terminal.
So we're gonna
Reload. I'm on it.
latches.
It's like every terminal. Or...
I'm on it.
Oh, come on, there's a breach on me, bro. What the fuck?
Requesting
Go mine
fortifications.
down.
I'm on it.
Yeah, good call. I was just about to have a nervous breakdown. You brought me back to Mecca. Also, that's a static, I believe, that I just threw out there. Every terminal today.
Whoa! They hit the mine.
Eagle back from the dead.
That was awesome.
Reloading. Throwing supply beacon.
Shoot that charger. Oh, he's done. Relay.
How about a nice cup of liberty?
Charger.
Sending in an eagle.
Good news. Breach is done. Yeah!
Dude. We're such a good game, bro. I don't mean to toot our own horn, but come on. Dude.
Mag's empty.
Woo!
8. Okay, now we can pull. And there we go. Perfect. Look at you.
New mag.
Did you do Ozempic or any of that crap, or did you just
Yeah.
lock in? You did?
It was total GLP-1.
That's okay. That's cool.
It works. It's literally like a miracle drug.
Do you have any bone density issues from it?
No.
I heard that
have
was a thing.
I got one of those scales that tracks your, not just your weight, but your water content, your muscle mass,
All your levels?
bone density, and all that.
Yeah.
So I've been tracking it for like 2 years. I'm good.
That's so cool.
I think it's one of those things where it's like it affects people.
Certain people.
Like some people are prone to like bone density loss, and some aren't. I guess I'm just like,
You got one. Look.
5 minutes left. Liberty speed your step,
Phew.
Eldiver.
I don't feel bad about not doing some of those things. We would have never had time.
Not with the slowdown.
Reloading.
But we did bring the right, like, It's been effective. The rocket pods, the AMRs.
Look at
The
lucky,
grenade.
we're right next to extraction.
I'm getting overran at the terminal again.
Got a grenade coming in.
Thanks,
Yeah,
dude.
that'll help. Yeah, these frag grenades are weak, but those little guys, it does pretty good.
You think they're weak? I think they're powerful. Like compare, I mean, obviously
Calling
compared to
down
a Giga.
fortifications!
Deploying minefield. Stand
I
clear.
also had a pirate's
Get
epic.
some! Get some!
Another triumph for managed democracy. May liberty guide your
Move us out of
safe
here.
extraction.
Orange pin, let's go.
Less than 4 minutes left.
Reloading! Calling down fortifications!
Oh, nice gas mine.
Sending in an eagle!
Thanks, baby.
Reloading! Reloading!
This fool is awesome.
I got a lot of kills with the Senator too.
Calling in extraction.
I like that with the ballistic shield, you can sit there and just keep your shield up while reloading your sidearm, and the bugs will hit you, but they do no damage.
No.
It's so cool.
Or even when it's on your back sometimes, you know,
Yeah.
they'll jump it quick.
Mag's empty.
And like World Cup did. This might have been one of my funnest rounds. I got tired of the terminals, bro. It was like no matter how many times I was on the terminals, there was always a breach right behind me.
T-minus 2 minutes, 30 seconds.
That's a lot of bugs.
Fire in the hole!
Oh god. Ooh, I just weaved.
Say hello to democracy! Mag's empty. Mag's empty!
He's still alive, bro.
Off the wall. I got him.
T-minus 2
Shit.
minutes.
Do you have a rocket pod for this belay?
Yeah.
Requesting air support!
Here comes the cavalry.
Dude, this is
Requesting fortifications!
Did I get him?
Deploying minefield.
essentially.
Mag's empty!
I got one more rocket pod.
Dude, I've got it too far from extraction.
I'm going back to it. Oh!
Stepped on your own mine, I saw that.
T-minus 1
Well-
minute, 30 seconds.
They don't go off if you step on them. That's one of the nice things about
Request
a
approved.
tank, but
Reinforcements on the
I
way.
think something else triggered it. But anyway, I'm back.
Joining the fray.
Oh, you're good,
Fire in
dude.
the hole! Requesting air support!
Oh no.
How'd you like the taste of freedom? Tac inbound! Throwing grenade!
I should have a shield over here for you.
Calling
somewhere.
down a support weapon! One life for Super! Support weapon. Heavy, southeast, 50 meters.
Nice, dude. You eviscerated that little tattletale. Oh, man.
Bug tunnel breach!
ETA T-minus 30 seconds.
Nice job.
ETA T-minus 20 seconds.
That I has stopping power.
Oh god.
Sending in an eagle!
Yeah, the stopping power on it is
Seconds.
one of
Clear landing zone.
Reloading!
Dude, if you can just AMR the Charger's butt, it's like 3 shots.
Yeah.
Pelican 1 approaching pickup.
Fuck, dude.
many bugs.
Countdown initiated. Stand by for takeoff.
I'm just gonna sim and run.
What?
Extraction complete.
Oh, run,
Pelican
bro.
1 beginning ascent.
That was insane.
My God.
Liberty smiles upon your trail.
Not a full clear, but we launched the Duke. Have you ever had to work so hard? And we got all the secondaries. You know? Come on. Yeah, we
Yeah.
didn't get a single nest, but whatever.
This can be an afterthought.
Yeah. I'm proud of us.
I am too. And it genuinely was a fun loadout.
Yeah. I love the Senator. And the faster reload speed with that armor is so nice.
Just being able to, like, relieve it from your holster that fast is awesome.
Yeah. Look at us.
We have the same victory pose, the same pants. Amazing. You are keeping up with the themes of your KDs